Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, so open it now and go straight to Sound or Sounds and Vibration. You need to find vibration-related toggles, phone calls, touch haptics, and system feedback. Once you see those labels, pause and confirm which items are enabled. Make sure to note separate call vibration and haptic feedback options because turning one off doesn't always disable the other. You're preparing to flip specific switches rather than guessing at a single universal control. Now you will turn off each vibration source. Tap the call vibration or incoming call pattern toggle to off. This stops the phone from buzzing for calls. Then disable touch haptics and keyboard vibration so taps and typing no longer vibrate. Next, switch off system feedback and notification vibration to silence alerts. Once done, test by locking the phone and tapping keys to verify no vibration occurs. Make sure each distinct toggle shows an off state before moving on. Finish by verifying. Place a test call, send a notification, and type to confirm vibration is gone. If you still feel vibration, restart the phone to apply settings cleanly. Once restarted, recheck the same toggles to ensure they remained off. If a specific app still vibrates, open that app's settings and disable vibration there. As a final fallback, enable Do Not Disturb to block vibrations temporarily. This is a backup, not a replacement for turning toggles off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.